Welcome back, kings and queens, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Hope King, and I'm the designer behind King's Designs MD. Today, I just wanted to hop on really quick and show you guys how to do a memorial design. Basically, you can use this as sublimation for shirts. You can print this as water slide. You can print this as paper for memorial books or what have you, but I just wanted to show you how you essentially can do the design. So this is the design. Basically, it is 1, 2, 3, 4 different elements that you're bringing in, and I'll just get started. So I'm just going to scroll down to page 2, which is just another blank page. And to do this, you're going to go to your backgrounds. You see backgrounds down here on the side. Click background. And you can choose angel, sky, wings, all these different things to choose what you want your background to be. So I chose sky. And it shows you all these different options. And this is the one that I selected. So now that sets your background for you. I have a picture that I've already uploaded. But in order to upload this picture with no background, you would take your picture to remove.bg, and let me see if I can click over to that. So you see here remove.bg, and this is the website. And so you would click upload your image, and once you upload your image, it'll clean up the background and you can download it and send it to Canva. Now, when you're in Canva, you just upload your image by clicking Upload Media, and you bring your file in just like you would any other file. You can resize your file, expand it, shrink it, whatever, but now you have a clean background. You can click on Elements again, and I told you can find different things, so we're going to select wings this time. Now, I am in the free version of Canva. There is a Canva Pro version as well. So there's a few different options, but for this purpose I want some realistic looking wings, so I am selecting this one. Now you want to right click it and send it to your background. You can move your wings up and down, you can move your people up and down, because you want your wings kind of to sit behind the person's back. And of course you don't want them too large, because as you can see here, the wings will expand off of the page if you make it too large. So you can move it around, get it to what is just right for you. And I am going to zoom in on my page so I can manipulate my wings just a little better. So now you click your text box over on the side. You can click add a heading and type in loving memory. And you can move it to wherever you want. I'm just going to move it up here. Now you can size it to the size that you want. This is your design. Feel free to make it however you want. I'm changing my text to text called Great Vibes, it looks like it says. And I can expand the size and make it larger. If it's too big, you want to bring your sizes in. Your sides in rather, and you can scale it back down until it fits the size that you need. Now again, this is your design. If you want it on 2 lines, if you want it on 3 lines, you can do that. Hit your space bar, move things around. I'm going to zoom back out so I can see that a little better. But if you wanted it like that, you could have it there. And you can adjust your spacing by clicking this box up here that says spacing, and shrink your line spacing down, which brings your words closer together. And you can always change your colors. So if you want something bright and vibrant or what have you, you can change things around. And again, it's your design. You can do what you want. If you want it 2 lines, 3 lines, whatever, do what suits you. And And you can always group things together so that now you can move it as one piece if you wanted things together as one piece. So if you like the font, you can duplicate it down. You can move it here instead of there. And you see how things might look different. So I hope this helps somebody. This is a quick and easy one. You can obviously add many other elements to it if you want, but that's just a simple, basic, quick and easy way to do a memorial. I hope this helps somebody. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.